Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add card to a wallet on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your wallet. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Click the plus button at the top right to add your card to the wallet. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead. If you have available card, just go ahead and do it. And if you want to add a debit or credit card, in my case, I'm going to just go ahead and add it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit continue right here. Right, and then I'm gonna bring my card right here and basically zoom it in to make the Apple read that card, right? And they will read it. So as you can see right here, they read it, and as you can see, this is the name and this is the card number, and then hit next right here, and you're gonna just wait until they verified. And here it says add the expiration date. Okay, and I'm gonna just add it right here by it is January 2028, right? And I'm gonna add the security code, which is 6675. Okay, and then hit next at the top right, and then now they're gonna verify that this card is actually available, so they can connect with the company that issued that card, so they can verify if this card is actually exists or is it phony. And as you can see right here, read the terms and conditions carefully before you agree, and then basically hit agree at the bottom right here. Basically you gotta wait for a few moments right here. They're gonna set up the card for Apple Pay, and now they're gonna add it to wallet. And as you can see, gonna wait for a few moments right here, and as you can see, the card has been added to the wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.